Hello all, good afternoon. Welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. Hope you all are doing good. And today we are going to make a dishwashing bar with cold process method. By cold process method, which is we are going to use coconut oil and distilled water, and I'm going to use lemon essential oil. Hi Sonal, hi Sourdough Bakes by Ani and Tej. Hope you all are doing good. And before we start, let me just tell you the precaution side of when we start using this lye. Lye is basically NaOH. Okay, it is also called as caustic soda. So you should never never keep it unattended when you mix lye water. Always wear gloves when you are working with lye, and wear a mask when it is when you are going to mix it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is wear my mask, wear my gloves first by the time few people join in. And yeah, I've already written down my recipe. It's super easy, and it is with minimal ingredients. It is just with lye, which is sodium hydroxide. It is also called as caustic soda. Then distilled water. You can buy sterile water ampoules from pharmacy. Don't use petrol pump, this distilled water which you get at petrol pumps. Okay, and then we are going to use lemon essential oil because it's a dishwashing bar. We want it to smell also very nice. Okay, always cover, wear gloves, wear sleeves which are full, wear cotton dress whenever you are working with lye. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Measure out. This is lye. Lye is always to be stored in a bottle which are very thick kind. The number will be written down, numbers I think 5, which is suitable for it. And now what I'm doing is I'm weighing 38.2 grams of lye. Okay, 38.2 grams of lye, which I'm keeping aside. And immediately when you use measure your lye out, immediately put a lid on it, because if you keep it open, what is going to happen is this pellets will oxidize, and they will start getting water, and it will become like a lump kind of thing, which is little hard to break later. Okay, so close it. I've written on my bottle, lye do not touch. So always put a red label on it. So and never do this in front of your kids, because and don't leave it unattended when you are mixing the lye. Now let me wear my mask. I am measuring 76.4 grams of distilled water. So can we use those hard lye? I will share the link on YouTube once I finish the video, okay, of where to source this lye from. So you don't use use a good quality one. So post I finish this video, I'll post a link. So 76.4 grams of lye, water. So this is the distilled water, and to which we are going to add lye. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take a spoon which is dedicated only for this lye. Okay, don't use it for your any other things. Now always when you are going to mix lye, always lye goes in water, not the other way around. So lye pellets will go in distilled water. So start adding slowly. Yes, you can use those. There is no issue. Only thing is that your bat size, don't break it with hand, Anita. Okay, so this is a live water. Now you since you are on other side of the camera, it is like now the fumes have started coming up and temperature is also rising. Let me just show you on a thermometer how much is the temperature. So now the temperature is 50. Okay, this will go up to 80 to 90 degrees as the crystals start dissolving. Okay, so see, you can see the fumes which are coming out now. Okay, so that's why you wear mask. See, the temperature now is 81. So the temperature has quickly gone very high. Okay, so normally what I do is I take a bowl, तो है इधर प्लास्टिक से, and I add in this water which is a bigger one. Okay, and to this I will put it. Okay, so the temperature cools down quickly. Okay, त्याच्यात जरा पाणी घालून द्या. I'll remove the mask now, keep it aside. Okay, but keep your gloves on, okay, when you are working with it. The temperature, again let us check the temperature. The temperature is 86 degrees. Okay, so slowly we have to reduce this temperature. So what I'm doing, I'm just speeding up the process by keeping it in the cold water. So this is a big bowl in which I'm keeping this. Okay, make sure it doesn't glides, okay, doesn't go in the water, so make sure about that. Okay, see, I've done the job pretty easier. This is one which I've already made prior, like half an hour before, and let us check the temperature of this. So this is already at a room temperature. This is at 31 degrees, okay, which is okay to use now. Okay, so let us measure coconut oil. So the coconut oil percentage, what we are taking here is 200 ml. So I'm measuring out. Yes, Anita, we have to wear a mask because there are fumes coming up, so it's better to be protected. And due to corona, I guess everybody has a mask at home, so it's easier. You don't have to buy separately for this. Okay, let us measure 200 grams of coconut oil. Let me just remove this lid so it is fast. थोडंसं लागेल टाइम. It's 193 so far, so we need 200 ml. Yeah, if you have any questions, oil in ml or grams, it's in grams, 200 grams. So it's 193.7 so far, so let me add and make it 200. Okay, so now it's 200 ml of your coconut oil. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, just have a look. This live water, with the help of a whisk, okay, I'm just going to add it slowly. The temperature needs to be at a room temperature. Okay, So now just use a hand whisk. If you want to speed up this process, you can use a hand blender. Since this is a very small batch, it is just 200 ml of 200 grams of oils. It's a very small batch which you can manage with the help of with a balloon whisk. Okay. What you are making? I'm making a dishwashing bar by a cold process method. So I've taken for that 38.2 grams of lye, 76.4 grams of distilled water and 200 grams of coconut oil. Okay, so just give it a whisk. Since it's a live session, we don't have that much time. I will just speed up the process by using a hand blender. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put a hand blender, okay, and give 2 jerks. I'm just giving couple of jerks for me to have a trace. Only coconut oil, will that not be very harsh on our hands? It's a dishwashing bar basically. So if you want, you can add 3 to 5% of a extra super fat. Okay, but the dishwashing bar should be hard enough, and it should not when you put it in a dishwashing, basically you put it in a plate, right? So it should not be very soft that it goes like you finish it very fast just because it is getting softer. It's not with KOH, it is with NaOH. Okay, see, we have already started getting a trace. Trace means it's a thick, I'll just show you now on the camera. See here, if I drop this, I can see a distinctive line. Okay, that means it is already mixed. The oil and water has already mixed. Now to this we will add, I'm taking 3% of essential oil. Okay, so this is I'm taking here lemon essential oil. So this is a 200 grams of coconut oil. So I'm taking 6 grams of lemon essential oil. So let's add 6 grams of lemon essential oil. You can select any like orange, lemon, any citrus kind are good for our dishwashing, even lemongrass in that case. Okay. So this is a 6 grams. So now let me just, I hope you can see. Just mix it well. Okay. And let us pour it in the mold. I'm just taking this mold so it's easy for the usage later on. So with this we can make pretty 4, these are around 80 grams mold, 80 to 90 grams soap batch stays in it. त्या दिवशी बनवलेला तो डिशवॉशिंग बार जरा द्या. With a silicone spatula, just remove each and every bit of this soap material. Okay, so this we will keep it unattended for at least a day. normally with coconut oil, next day it is hard enough. Okay, by evening also if you check, it will be easy to remove, but keep it in the mold for at least 24 hours. I'll post a picture tomorrow of this ones, and see this is this I had made couple of days back, and it is a pretty hard bar. Okay, let me just show you. You should not use it for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, let the water evaporate from it and then use it after 2 to 3 weeks for a better result. I'll just show you the lather test for this. जरासा बोल मध्ये पाणी द्या. Thank you. Yeah, just let me just show you the lather test, because people think cold processed soaps don't lather well, but I'll just show you that quickly. Okay, I've just taken a ते तसंच उचलायला लागेल. Okay, here, so let me see you. So this is a lather test. So you can have a pretty good lather even with just coconut oil, and it doesn't dry out as much. So it's very good for your dishwashing. I guess you will not buy a dishwashing bar or a liquid later once you start making your own. Yeah, 2 to 3 weeks is ideal curing time. So you know, it is not harsh on your hand. See, I can use it now also, but it's not ideal for me to use it. This is just 4 or 5 days back bar. Let me just quickly wash the hands. Yeah, sorry. Thank you. Welcome all. I guess you enjoyed this session, and tag us if you make your own bar, dishwashing bar with coconut oil. Simple ingredients which are easily available, so you can start making. Thank you all for watching. People who have missed out on the session can watch this video later on YouTube. It will be posted within a few minutes. So thank you all, and see you soon. Bye.